Everybody, Standard 7, Subject Social Science, Chapter 4, राजपूत एज। आज मैं आपको इसके डिफाइन करवाऊंगी। नंबर 1 है सिद्धराज जयसिंह। इंट्रोडक्शन। सिद्धराज जयसिंह ही ग्रेटेस्ट द मोस्ट valiant and the most popular king of Solanki dynasty, ruled nearly 900 years ago. He was a righteous and a religion-loving king. Number 2 है Timpsi had goat with self-valor. He won many triumphs and expanded Gujarat. He made Gujarat a strong state of India. He had also won over Junagadh and Malwa provinces. After winning over Junagadh, he had received the title Siddharaj, and after winning over Malwa, he had got the title Avantinath. He had defeated leader of a robbery band Barbarak and made people free from fear. Administration. Siddharaj was not the king who kept constantly absorbed in battles. He ruled, keeping public welfare on his mind. So in a battle, he ruled, keeping public welfare on his mind. His administration allowed priority to public acts in his rule. People lived happily. There was no fear of thieves and robbers. Yielding to his mother's feelings, he had eliminated travel tax, being levied upon pilgrims to Somnath temple, and let go the revenue of 72 lakh. During his period, Gujarat was on the pinnacle of its political stability, prosperity, art and culture. The period of Siddharaj Jaisingh's rule has been written in golden letters in the history of Gujarat. Construction. Siddharaj was fond of constructions. He had a large pond named Sahasraling, constructed in Patan. There were 1008 temples of Lord Shiva, and 108 temples of goddess around the pond. He had renovated Rudra Mahalya, which had been formerly constructed by Mulraj Solanki in Sidhpur, and made it grand. He had many ponds constructed at places like Kapadganj, Sihor, Viramgam, etc. His mother Binal Devi had Malav pond constructed in Dholka. Besides, he had many forts, temples, centers of food, of medicants, and educational institutes. Justice loving. Siddharaj was devotee of Lord Shiva. It he respected, revered all the religions. Once some antisocial elements burned down a mosque in Khambhat. When the complaint reached him, he did self-inspection. Having learned the fact, he punished his culprits and helped to construct a new mosque. Number 6 है education loving. Siddharaj Jaisinghh was fond of education. He had patroned the learned and the pandits and made Patan a center for learning. He got Jain monk Hemchandracharya to write a grammar volume named Siddhaham Siddhanuशासन. And next compare the between rulers in North India and those in South India. अभी रूलर्स ऑफ नॉर्थ इंडिया का फर्स्ट पॉइंट है रूलर्स ऑफ परमार सोलंकी चावड़ा एंड चौहान डायनेस्टीज रूल। रूलर्स ऑफ साउथ इंडिया का फर्स्ट है पॉइंट रूलर्स ऑफ चालुक्य राष्ट्रकूता चोला चेर एंड पंड्या डायनेस्टीज रूल। नंबर 2 है रूलर्स ऑफ नॉर्थ इंडिया का they had to come into frictions with the Arabs. They had to be ever ready to prevent their invasions. Number 2 point है rulers of South India का they had to fight against overseas invaders and against pirates. Therefore, they had to maintain naval army. Number 3 point है rulers of North India का they were ever ready to work for public welfare and for the progress of literature, art and religion. 3 point as rulers of South India का they spent their wealth in religions acts in the grandeur of temples. Number 4 point है owing to internal discord they resorted to battles very often. They were vainly proud, and therefore they had fallen victim to external evasions. Number 4 point है rulers of South India का the show off that they were supreme. They kept on invading neighboring states. अभी next है question number 2 give reasons. नंबर वन है आउटसाइड इन्वेडर्स अटैक ड्यूरिंग राजपूत एज. आंसर है ड्यूरिंग राजपूत एज देर वॉज ग्रेट स्प्लेंडर इन इंडिया. पीपल हैड बीन इकोनॉमिकली prosperous, but there was no unity among the kings. They kept on fighting among themselves to win over more provinces. Owing to this weakness of theirs, outside invaders attacked India. Number 2, Rajraj, I had the land measured. Rajraj, I loved his subjects very much in his period. A strong naval army had developed. Foreign trade had bloomed. Too, he had decentralized power to better administration of his state. He had the entire land of his state, measure and levied revenues based on the produce of that land so that people would not be burdened. Thus, he had started local self-government. Next, number 3, in the North India, Dharanagari and the Ujjain had become learning centers. In the North India, 2 great kings named Munj and Mihir Bhoj of Parmar dynasty ruled. Both of them were admirers of literature, education and art. They had founded a Vidyapit in Dharanagari. The court of Mihir Bhoj was endowed by the learned. He gave gold as the reward for composing poems. During this period, literature of very high level was composed. Therefore, it can be said that Dharanagari and Ujjain had been great centers of learning. Next, answer the following questions briefly. Number 1 है why is any one city is preferred as the capital? There is only one headquarter of any state, mostly is known as the capital. The entire administration is run from the capital for administrative convenience. Most of the administrative offices are located in the capital. The Legislative Assembly is also located in the capital in Gujarat. The Legislative Assembly is in Gandhinagar. To the Secretariat, the administration of the entire state is done. Number 2 है why would a step well be opened up after excavation? इसका आंसर है आर्कियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट सर्चेज आउट एंशियंट आर्किटेक्चर्स whose mentions we find in history. In view of architecture, step well is an important evidence. Owing to natural disasters like earthquake, many step wells must have been buried or broken. If this kind of information is availed by the archaeology department from any sources, they start excavation work in scientific way. Then they it open for public as ancient heritage and protect is such places have helped in a link of history. Next question है 3. Know the details about ancient step well or found in your nearby area. Answer in my village Adalas there is a renowned step well. This step well was constructed by Rudabai in the memory of her husband in Bikram. Somewhere 1499. It has 5 stories. There are 3 entrances to this step well. A little beyond entrance there is a canopy. There are beautifully carved balconies on the either side of stairs. The niches in the step well are also decorated. The total length of the step well in 84 meters. There is construction with many rooms. Underground is architecture, is carved columns, etc. Prove this step well as the best model of art. There is an inscription in Sanskrit in the step well. From that we can get information about its year of construction. ये आपका क्या हो गया? आज आपको मैंने क्या करवा दिया? डिफरेंस बिटवीन और सिद्धराज जयसिंह का डिफाइन करवा दिया और ब्रीफली क्वेश्चन आंसर करवा दिया. ये आपको क्या करना है? क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और लर्न करना है. थैंक यू.